So now we're going to do our first homework demonstration. So do you remember where our homework is for this class? Is it on Canvas or is it on My Accounting Lab? So for this class, the bulk of our homework is on myaccountinglab.com. So just open a browser and up here in the address bar, type myaccountinglab.com and you'll go directly to the site. Then you will log in, sign in here. Hopefully you've already registered your account like a previous video down here on students, so we're just going to sign in. So enter your username and your password and then click sign in. And then you should have a list of your courses. So click on the course, Accounting 111. And then to do our homework, we're going to click on the link over here called Assignments. And then do homework. Over here will be the due date. Your due date will be different than this one. So we want to start with this one. That's what this homework demonstration is about, is just about this exercise 1-20. We're going to get practice working with the accounting equation. So we click here. And notice there's two versions, the book/static. The static means the numbers do not change. So you can do this one over and over and over. The numbers do not change. The other version of the same problem called similar to, every time you do this one, the numbers are randomized, so the numbers will change. Whenever I do a homework demonstration, I'm going to click on the static one, and you should do that too, so that we're all working on the same problem. All right, exercise 1-20, it's about the accounting equation. Compute the missing amount in the accounting equation for each entity from the financial information presented. So these are all different companies. Here's the names of the companies. And notice we have some assets, some liabilities, and some equity. So let's just start with the first scenario. These are all independent. So we've got hairstyles. So we have to figure out, well, how much are their assets if their liabilities are $36,000 and their equity is $36,000. So do you remember the accounting equation? The accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus equity. So we just need to add up 36,000 plus 36,000, and that gives us our assets. Now if you can do that in your head, it's easy. It's 72,000. If you're not good at doing things in your head, just go up here to question help and click on the calculator. I'll show you really quickly how to use this calculator. 36,000 plus 36,000 equals 72,000. And I could just type the number in here, or if I want, I can click on this field and then click this arrow and it shoots it over here for us. The next scenario, and one thing to realize, commas are optional. I recommend leaving the comma out, but if you want to put the comma in there to make it easier to read, go ahead. The reason I recommend leaving it out is it's one less keystroke to screw up. Because a lot of times when I do it, I accidentally hit a decimal instead of a comma. All right, let's look at the next company. Style Cuts has $90,000 of assets. We don't know how much their liabilities are. However, we do know that the equity is $48,000. So what this $48,000 means is, of the $90,000 of assets, the owner owns $48,000 and the bank owns the rest. So to calculate that, you're going to take 90,000, subtract 48,000. 90,000 minus 48,000 gives us $42,000 of liabilities. So I could type it in here, or again, I could have just clicked in this field and then hit this arrow. All right. And then for a company called Your Basket, they have $101,000 of assets. They have $68,000 of debt, in other words, liabilities, stuff they owe. So we have to calculate how much is the equity. So to do that, we're going to take assets minus liabilities gives us the equity. In other words, 68,000 plus what equals 101,000. So I'm going to plug in 101 000 minus 68,000 gives us $33,000 of equity. So what that means is of this $101,000, the owner owns $33,000 of it. The bank owns $68,000. So in other words, the owner's equity or net worth of the company is $33,000. And then when we're done, we click check answer. And it says well done. And then if you click on next question, it takes you to that second of the two questions. And notice the numbers are now different. 26,000 and 40,000. So what we're on now, if I click up here, you can see that we are on the second of the two homework problems. So this one, the similar to, which is the one we're looking at, you get to do this one on your own. And everyone who does this gets different numbers. So that's it for this homework demonstration. So go ahead and do this one on your own.